will start with 190 and go to 123.
This isn't like an auction, right?
Yes.
You guys are going to take it away.
The fall on the way up to the stage.
Was that on purpose? Absolutely.
Was it a fall? What happened?
What do you mean what happened? Look at my dress. I tried to walk upstairs in this dress. That's what happened. What went through my mind when I fell down? A bad word that I can't say that starts with F.
You look so great today. Great dress. What was the process of getting ready? How many people helped you? Hi.
Well, what was the process? I don't know. I just woke up and tried on the dress and it fit, thank God. And then I took a shower and I don't know what that's what I did. And then I got my hair and makeup done. And then I came to the Oscars. I'm sorry, I did a shot before I... Sorry. Jesus. Okay.
It's awfully young to have so much success so far. Do you feel that this is it a good thing that it's coming so early in the career?
I hope so. Yeah. I mean, I who knows? I guess we'll see.
You don't worry about peaking too soon.
Well, now I am.
Yeah.
God.